Hi green lovers! Well, it's time to uppot my Chinese 5-color pepper, my single seed challenge, and put it in the ground. But it's too early to put it in the ground. The ground is still cold. So I'm going to share with you my original trick on how to put this pepper in the ground without actually putting it in the ground. Intrigued? Stay tuned. So this is how I do it, folks. The magic bottomless 10-gallon plastic pot. I fill it up with soil and I make a hole just big enough for my pepper plant, and then I gently put it back into this pot. So now all I need to do is, when I am ready, when the weather is nice and warm outside and the nighttime temperatures are staying above 50 degrees, then I will take this plant, dig a hole in my raised bed where I'm planning to put it in, take this plant, the inner pot out, put it directly in the hole, pot and all, and let the peppers grow in there. Here's another advantage. When you're ready to call it a day at the end of the season, you can actually overwinter your peppers directly in this pot. You don't need to transfer it to another pot. All you need to do is pull it out of the soil, trim off some of the roots at the bottom, and put it back in this black plastic pot, and you're good to go for overwintering your pepper. Easy, huh? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will try this trick. Let me know how it goes if you do. Until next time, live green and love your greens.